The Advancement of Herbal Medicine. A comprehensive journey into nature's healing wisdom. Herbal medicine, also known as phototherapy or botanical medicine, has been an integral part of human healing practices since time immemorial. Over the years, the advancement of herbal medicine has undergone a remarkable transformation, transitioning from traditional remedies to a scientifically validated and globally recognized form of alternative medicine. This essay delves into the evolution and current state of herbal medicine, highlighting its increasing popularity, scientific validation, and the growing body of evidence supporting its efficacy. The roots of herbal medicine can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where indigenous communities utilized plants and plant-based compounds for their healing properties. In traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurveda, and Native American herbalism, the knowledge of medicinal plants was passed down through generations. However, as the world progressed and modern medicine took center stage, herbal remedies faced skepticism and were often relegated to the periphery of healthcare. While herbal medicine has made significant strides in gaining recognition and acceptance, several challenges and obstacles continue to hinder its full-scale advancement. These handicaps are multifaceted, encompassing scientific, economic, regulatory, and societal aspects. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Your support means everything to us. Thank you. One of the primary challenges facing herbal medicine is the lack of standardization in product quality. Herbal remedies can vary widely in terms of potency, purity, and composition, leading to inconsistencies in therapeutic outcomes. The absence of standardized manufacturing processes and quality control measures hampers the reliability and reproducibility of herbal products. Despite growing interest, herbal medicine research often receives less funding compared to conventional pharmaceutical studies. Limited financial support restricts the scope and depth of scientific investigations into the mechanisms of action, safety profiles, and efficacy of herbal remedies. This dearth of funding undermines the ability to generate robust evidence supporting the therapeutic potential of herbal medicines. Herbal medicines face regulatory challenges that differ from those encountered by conventional pharmaceuticals. In many regions, there is a lack of consistent regulatory frameworks for the registration, quality control, and safety evaluation of herbal products. The absence of standardized guidelines can lead to variations in regulatory practices, hindering the global acceptance and market access for herbal medicines. Despite the increasing popularity of herbal medicine, skepticism persists among some segments of the population. This skepticism may stem from historical biases, a lack of awareness about scientific advancements in herbal research, or misconceptions about the efficacy and safety of natural remedies. Overcoming these perceptions is crucial for the broader acceptance of herbal medicines. Herbal medicines can interact with conventional pharmaceuticals, potentially leading to adverse effects or altering the efficacy of prescribed medications. The lack of comprehensive information on herb-drug interactions poses a risk to patient safety and underscores the importance of healthcare professionals being well informed about both conventional and herbal treatments. There is a need for enhanced education and training for healthcare professionals regarding herbal medicine. Integrating herbal medicine into mainstream healthcare requires an understanding of its principles, potential benefits, and possible risks. In recent decades, there has been a notable resurgence of interest in herbal medicine, fueled by a growing dissatisfaction with conventional pharmaceutical approaches and a desire for more natural and holistic healing methods. Consumers are increasingly seeking alternatives that address the roots. This shift in mindset has led to a renewed focus on traditional herbal knowledge and an exploration of the potential therapeutic benefits of plant-based compounds. One of the most significant advancements in herbal medicine is the rigorous scientific scrutiny that many herbal remedies have undergone. Researchers worldwide are now investigating the active compounds in medicinal plants, elucidating their mechanisms of action, and conducting clinical trials to assess their safety and efficacy. This scientific validation is crucial in gaining acceptance from the mainstream medical community and establishing herbal medicine as a credible and evidence-based form of healthcare. According to market research, the global herbal medicine market is expected to reach $167.8 billion by 2025, growing at a CAGR of 7.2% from 2019 to 2025. This exponential growth reflects increasing consumer demand for natural and plant-based remedies. A survey conducted by the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health (NCCIH) in the United States found that approximately 38% of adults use some form of complementary and alternative medicine, including herbal supplements. Major pharmaceutical companies are investing in research and development of herbal medicines. This strategic shift is evident in partnerships and collaborations between pharmaceutical giants and herbal product manufacturers, aiming to harness the therapeutic potential of plant-derived compounds. Regulatory bodies in various countries are increasingly acknowledging the value of herbal medicine. The European Medicines Agency (EMA) and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) have established regulatory frameworks for the registration and approval of herbal medicinal products. The advancement of herbal medicine from traditional wisdom to a scientifically validated and globally recognized form of healthcare is a testament to the resilience and efficacy of nature's healing wisdom. As consumer preferences shift towards holistic and natural approaches, herbal medicine is poised to play a pivotal role in the future of healthcare. The ongoing research, increasing market growth, and regulatory recognition all contribute to the renaissance of herbal medicine as a valuable and sustainable healthcare option. In embracing the rich heritage of herbal remedies, we embark on a journey that harmonizes tradition and innovation, unlocking the full potential of nature's pharmacy for the well-being of humanity. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means everything to us. Thank you.